Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to download WhatsApp application on your Android device. Now moving back to our video, check whether your device is connected to the internet or not. If yes, then open Play Store on your device and then in the search bar type WHATSAPP and press the search button. After that, Play Store will show your results on the top of your screen, and right beside your result there will be a green install button, and if you press that button, Play Store will then start your download. To learn more about this application, go inside and find an area where it is written about this app. There you can read more about this application. You can learn about its features and everything else provided by the producer. After a while, the application will be successfully installed.
How to sign up and create a new account with WhatsApp. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Now from the search box, simply type in and search for WhatsApp. Once you find the application, you can simply tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of WhatsApp. Wait for a while until the installation is complete, and then when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the app. You will now be asked to select your language. Just select your desired language and tap on the arrow button at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Agree and Continue, and you will be asked to enter your phone number to sign up. Select your country from the drop-down menu and then type in your phone number. Then tap on the next button and you will need to verify that this is your correct phone number. Tap on the OK button to verify. Now after confirming your phone number, you will need to verify it. Simply tap on Continue and then the Allow button and you will receive an SMS or a missed call containing your verification code. This will automatically detect the verification code, and now you can simply tap on the Continue button to proceed with your account. If you want to allow access to your contacts, tap on the Allow button and allow various access based on your requirements. Now you can set up your profile. Simply type in your desired username, and you can also set up your picture by tapping on the camera icon. After setting up your profile, simply tap on the Next button, and now your profile has been set up. You can immediately start chatting with your friends and make audio as well as video calls. And there you have it.
How to log into your WhatsApp account in your mobile. So to log into your WhatsApp account in your mobile, you have to just go to your WhatsApp app. You can see here you have to click on Agree and Continue. You have to give your phone number here. You have to click on Next. You have to choose your postal code and country here. As you can see here, you have already given your number. You can also change it. For that, you have to just click on Edit, or else you can just click on OK. WhatsApp will send you a verification code and you have to type verification code on your mobile. We are verified here. And now WhatsApp is asking us to allow our medias to WhatsApp. And now WhatsApp is asking you to give access to our medias to WhatsApp. You can just click on Not Now, or you can just click on Continue. I'll just click on Continue here. WhatsApp is asking to give access to our contacts to WhatsApp. You can click on Deny, or you can click on Continue. I'll just click on Continue here. You can allow WhatsApp to access the SD card. I'll just click on Allow here. As you can see here, our data is backed up. You have to just click on Next. We have to give our name here and click on Next. You can click on daily or weekly or monthly or never and click on Done. And yes, we are logged into our WhatsApp account here. How to convert normal text into bold text in WhatsApp. For that, you have to just go to your app. This bold option helps to highlight our messages. I'll just select a contact here. And on the bottom, you can see your message chat box. You have to click on that. You have to click asterisk here and your text. And again, we have to retype on asterisk. And yes, our text is converted into bold here. So in this way, you can change your text into bold style in WhatsApp. There is not any other option rather than to keep the text between the two asterisks. If the steps are followed correctly, once you send the message, it would be displayed in monospace font at the recipient's end.
How to archive WhatsApp chat on your Android device. So let's get started by opening our WhatsApp application. After opening WhatsApp, we can see a lot of chat here, and in order to archive chat, you need to select the chat which you want to archive. So here I'm going to archive this group. So I'm going to tap here. After tapping here, at the top we can see 4 options. The first one is the pinned, the second one is the mute, and the third one, which looks like the symbol of download, that is for the archiving of chat. So we need to tap there. As you guys can see at the bottom that our chat has been archived. So this is how you guys can archive a single chat. But if you want to archive all the chat, then you need to go and tap on the third dot over right top. So I am going to tap here, and after tapping there on the last option, we are going to tap on setting, and after setting we are going to tap on chat, and after scrolling let's tap on chat history. So here on second option you can see archive all the chat. So this is how you guys can simply archive a single chat or multiple chat in a quick and an easy way in your WhatsApp application. So if you guys are wondering why do we need to archive our WhatsApp chat, then according to the patch notes, WhatsApp application archive help us to organize our inbox just as archives help us to organize files in a real world. An archive meaning in WhatsApp is to hide personal or a group chat from our chat list to better organize our list. How to update WhatsApp application on your Android device? As we all know guys, WhatsApp is one of the most popular chat and instant messaging application available today. The service allows users to save data by messaging over a computer internet. In order to download WhatsApp application, we need to go and open our Play Store for an Android device. And if you are using iPhone, then you can go and open App Store. So after opening Play Store, on search bar we need to search for WhatsApp, and let's tap on enter. And after opening WhatsApp application, in place of open, if you haven't updated your application, you will see an option named update. Here I have already updated my application, so it's only showing open. So by tapping there, you can simply update your WhatsApp application and then you are ready to use that.
How to hide online status on WhatsApp? First of all, you have to swipe this. You can turn your Wi-Fi down and you can go to your message. You can also type anything you want, but it will not be sent. And again you can turn on your Wi-Fi. In this way you can hide your online status. There is another one option. On the top right you can see here 3-dot button. You have to click on that and go to settings. You can see your account. You have to click on that. You have to go to your privacy and click on last seen. You can change here from everybody to nobody. In these ways you can hide your online status on WhatsApp. How to sign up to your WhatsApp business account on your laptop? So first of all, you have to go to your WhatsApp business app. You have to click on agree and continue. You have to choose your country here. This search option will make you easy to find your country. You have to give your phone number here and click on next. You have to reassure your phone number here and click on OK. After that, WhatsApp will send you a verification code in your mobile. Then you have to type your code here. WhatsApp business is asking to access your contacts. You have to click on allow. WhatsApp business is asking the access to your photos, media and files on your device. You have to click on allow. You have to click on give permission. You have to give your email ID here and click on next. We have to give our Gmail password here and click on next. A confirmation will be sent to your Gmail. It is asking to restore our data. It's written here, restore your messages and media from your Google Drive. If you don't restore now, you won't be able to restore later. So it means if you restore in this time, all your data will be restored in your WhatsApp, and if you don't, then the previous data would be lost. I'll just click on restore. Restoring is completed here, and we have to click on next. We have to choose a name here. We have to give our business name here and add a category, and then click on next. We can create a WhatsApp business bio here. You can add what you like in this section. Offer better browsing, share your offerings, get started fast. I'll just click on not now. And yes, our WhatsApp business account is created here and all the medias are restored. This will be it for the sign up. How to record calls on WhatsApp? So to record call on WhatsApp, you can just go to your screen recorder. You have to long press on your screen recorder. As you can see your sound source, you have to click on it. As I'm already recording here, I cannot go to sound source. You will see option there, mic. You have to click on that and leave it as it is, and all your calls on your WhatsApp will be recorded. There is another way to record your calls on your WhatsApp. This option is basically used in new version of mobiles, and for old version of mobiles you can download an app. The app's name is app called recorder. You can download an app. For that you have to just go to your Play Store, and on the top you can see a search bar. You have to click on that. You have to type app called recorder. You have to install it. As you can see here, app called recorder is downloaded on our mobile. We can see our details. We have to click on that. We can see our app permissions. We have to click on that. We have to go to phone here. And as we can share phone access for this app, allow and don't allow. I'll just click on allow. And our permission to record call in WhatsApp and other apps like Messenger, Viber will get activated. And this will be it to use this app. Now we can record our calls in WhatsApp.
How to add someone on WhatsApp application. WhatsApp Messenger or just WhatsApp is a freeware cross-platform centralized instant messaging and voice over IP service owned by Meta platform that is available worldwide. Without any further delay, let's dive in. Let's start by going on our call log of our Android device, which is in the bottom left corner of my Android device. Once the call log is open, what we can do is to tap on the first option, which is create new contact. After tapping there, we can write the person first name, and after writing first name, you can also add last name, the company, the phone number, email address, and many more. Here I'm simply going to write the person first name and the mobile number. So let's write the name, and after I'm going to write the number. Once we write the number, all we have to do is to tap on save. After saving the number, we can go back on our home page and tap on WhatsApp application. Once the application is opened, we need to tap on the blue chat bubble, which is in the bottom right corner. After tapping there, we will be able to select or see all the contact and the contact of a person who are using WhatsApp application. You can choose any one of them, or you can choose the person whom you are trying to reach out and contact with that person. How to block someone on WhatsApp application. So without any further delay, let's get started. Everyone has their different reason for wanting to block someone, but essentially it's a last resort, final move to let someone else know how they know that they do not have the right to be a presence in their online life and they are having a negative impact on you. So we are going to open our chat, and after opening chat, you can select the chat or the person whom you want to block. So here I'm going to choose the first option, and after opening the chat box, here on the right side you can see 3 dots, and I'm going to tap there. After opening that, at the last option you can see more, and we need to tap there. So after tapping on more, you can see the 5 options. The first one is to report, the second one is to block, third one clear chat, export chat, add shortcut. In today's video we are going to learn how to block someone. So here we are going to block this person, so we need to tap on block. And if you want to report, then you can add a report also, but here I'm going to simply tap on block. So this is how you guys can block someone whom you want to block in a WhatsApp application.
How to delete WhatsApp messages. Deleting WhatsApp messages is an easy process. Simply open up your WhatsApp application from your mobile device or your computer and make sure that you're logged in. Now from the conversation page or the chats page of WhatsApp, go ahead and find the message you would like to remove or delete. Once you find the message, swipe towards the left hand side of the screen, and once the more button pops up, give it a tap. Now tap on delete chat and confirm deletion by tapping delete chat again, and that way you should be able to delete a text message on WhatsApp. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.